AmbienTrack is a modular cable duct system in the broadest sense. In contrast to ordinary plastic trunking, AmbienTrack consciously creates interior accents with its elegant design and innovative lighting concepts, using the most modern and energy-efficient technology. AmbienTrack installation begins with the fitting of basic skirting board profiles. Afterwards, the wall and corner pillar profiles are prepared for installation. The wall pillar profile is then fused to the LED connection cable. Coupling pins ensure the accurate extension of basic profiles. The flexible installation of AmbienTrack is based on the wall pillars. Here, the basic installation of the switchboard is extended to the skirting board within the rooms. We recommend that the basic profiles, especially the corner pillar ones, be attached to the ambient art lighting components prior to the installation on the wall. This makes the construction process easier. The RGB band is attached to the connection cable and then clipped into the previously installed retaining profile. The AmbienTrack corner pillars can be fitted in the same way as the wall pillars. It is also well suited for vertical installation over multiple stories. The surface construction of profiles is especially suited to renovation, refurbishing and small upgrade projects, as it is not necessary to meticulously prise open the walls for installation. In dry construction, the skirting board channels are well adapted for ground installations and can act as a divider between wall and floor. Power and data lines can subsequently be laid into the skirting board channels, which also allow plug sockets to be laid very close to the ground. We have developed a special basic profile for the connection of wiring between skirting board and LCD or plasma TVs. It is designed solely for laying cables. It provides for an extremely flat construction. In order to secure the LED connection cable and to ensure a smooth transition between skirting boards and wall pillars, we recommend obtaining the necessary fitting pieces. Basic profile installation is now complete. The individual power and data lines are then laid, and the house owner can proceed with the installation of electronic equipment as he or she sees necessary. Using the toolbox, all the various plug sockets can be easily installed and wired into the wall pillars, corner pillars, and skirting board channels. The toolbox can be pre-assembled and pre-wired in its entirety. This allows the installer to optimally prepare even during large installation. It enables installation components such as switches, plugs, multimedia connections, sensors, along with other operational elements to be fitted modularly into the AmbienTrack channels as the installer sees fit. The toolbox can also be used as a switchboard and branching box. It is also possible to fit mains adapters and other electronics such as building automation components. The toolbox is available in different sizes that are adjustable to the respective construction situation. The box is made entirely from plastic materials and surrounds all metallic parts of the installation components. This assures electric shock protection even when channels are exposed. The pre-assembled box can now be clipped into the respective basic profile and fixed into the desired position. Afterwards, the panels are attached. A complete functionality test is carried out prior to use. Spontaneous requests for modifications on the basic installation can easily be implemented. The device support is an integral unit which is individually fitted with 2 connections and can easily be relocated from A to B when required, depending on where the inputs are needed at the time. Only a few steps are required to fit the device support. The baseboard for the device support is mounted first, at the chosen position on the wall. Then the pre-assembled device box is clipped into place. And last of all, the cover is attached. The covers of the skirting board are fitted flush. The basic installation is now complete. Should the room's function change over the course of time, for example if a child's room is turned into an office or a network connection is suddenly required in the living room, the flexibility of the system reflects its intelligence. Input sockets and cables can be repositioned and installed at any time. With the diverse installation terminals offered by AmbienTrack, audio and video connections can be integrated into the AmbienTrack system. It features all standard connections such as HDMI, video digital, and audio terminals for intelligent multimedia and multi-room installations. Inside a terminal area, 2 AV panels can be installed. In contrast to standard installations, it allows more connections to be combined in the smallest of spaces. Individual connection terminals can be inserted into the anodized aluminium panels in only a few short steps. The connection terminals are then attached and screwed onto the special support ring. They can be combined any way the user wants. The in-acoustic installation range is modularly structured. The installation and connection terminals can be replaced or extended at any time. This way the user is equipped for any future requirements. Once the cables have been connected, the entire unit can be fitted into the AmbienTrack toolbox. It can later be fitted into the AmbienTrack skirting board channels or into the wall and corner profiles. In-acoustic multimedia connections are also compatible with all well-known switch programs for conventional flush-mounted installations.